Have you ever been asked a question that instantly made you uncomfortable, unsure, or even spiritually uneasy? Mufti Menk beautifully reminds us that not every question deserves an answer. Some questions are designed to test your character, shake your peace, or push you into sin without you even realizing it. In Islam, silence is sometimes a shield that protects your heart, your dignity, and your relationship with Allah. In today's video, we uncover 5 powerful questions that you should never answer, not out of fear, but out of wisdom. These moments of silence can save you from hidden traps. 1. Questions that lead to arrogance. There are certain questions people ask not out of genuine curiosity, but to measure your worth against theirs. These questions often revolve around income, possessions, achievements, or lifestyle. When someone asks, "How much do you earn?" or "What did your new phone cost?" the purpose is sometimes to judge your success, compare pridefully, or elevate themselves above you. Islam teaches us to guard our hearts from arrogance, and one of the ways to protect ourselves is by avoiding discussions that can feed ego, whether theirs or ours. Answering such questions may open doors to showing off, exaggeration, or feeling pressured to justify your blessings. It can also make others feel inferior, jealous, or uncomfortable. Staying silent helps prevent these emotional harms and keeps your heart pure from pride. When you choose silence, you are not hiding out of fear. You are protecting the sincerity of your intentions and the privacy of your blessings. Additionally, some people ask these questions to create competition. Once you respond, the conversation may turn into boasting or subtle rivalry. Maintaining silence or changing the subject keeps you away from environments that damage spiritual humility. In Islam, true success is measured by character, not possessions. 2. Questions aimed at exposing someone's sins. Islam places great emphasis on preserving the dignity and honor of every individual. When someone asks questions that probe into another person's mistakes or past sins, the intention is often not to help, but to uncover what Allah has concealed. These questions may come in the form of curiosity. What exactly did he do? Or, tell me the full story of her mistake. Responding to such inquiries can unintentionally participate in uncovering what should remain hidden. Silence becomes a form of protection, not only for the person being spoken about, but also for the one who is responding. When you avoid discussing someone's faults, you shield yourself from falling into sinful speech and prevent the spread of harmful assumptions. Islam teaches that a believer protects the honor of others in their absence, just as they would protect their own honor. Furthermore, revealing someone's mistakes can create long-term damage. It may affect their reputation, relationships, and emotional well-being. People can move on from their errors, but rumors and repeated discussions can keep them trapped in a past they are trying to escape. By choosing silence, you support the possibility of repentance and change. It encourages a culture of mercy rather than judgment. 3. Questions that fuel gossip or suspicion. Some questions are designed to dig into areas that are none of our concern. They often begin innocently, like, "Why was she there?" or "Who was he with?" But their underlying purpose is to create doubt, suspicion, or unnecessary discussion about people's private matters. These types of questions do not seek truth, they seek conversation. And the moment we answer them, the discussion can quickly turn into assumptions and stories that were never meant to be shared. Islam guides us to avoid speech that leads to negative thinking about others. When someone asks questions that push you toward sharing details you are not responsible for, silence becomes a protective shield. It stops the conversation from drifting into backbiting and prevents misunderstandings from spreading. Even a small, careless answer can grow into a rumor that harms someone's reputation and causes tension in families or communities. Moreover, engaging with such questions can pollute our own hearts. Constantly speculating about others builds a habit of focusing on people's flaws instead of appreciating their good qualities. By refusing to participate, you encourage a healthier environment where trust is preserved. Choosing silence sends a message that you value respect, privacy, and fairness, qualities that strengthen relationships and uphold Islamic manners. 4. Questions about the unseen future. There are moments when people expect definite answers about what lies ahead. Questions like, "Are you sure this plan will work?" or "What exactly will happen next year?" These inquiries assume that humans can predict outcomes with certainty. Islam reminds us that the future belongs entirely to Allah, and no one has authority over matters that have not yet unfolded. When someone pressures you to give a confident prediction, responding can create false expectations or unnecessary fear. Silence in such situations protects you from claiming knowledge you do not possess. It prevents you from giving reassurance based on guesswork or speaking in a way that might later be proven wrong. When you remain quiet, you acknowledge your limits and leave space for Allah's will to unfold naturally. Additionally, answering future-based questions often leads to overthinking. It can force you into making promises, assumptions, or detailed explanations that place emotional or mental burden on you. Silence allows you to avoid committing to statements that may become difficult to uphold. It also encourages others to rely more on planning, effort, and trust in Allah, rather than depending on predictions. By choosing silence, you promote humility and honesty, essential qualities for anyone seeking spiritual clarity. 5. Questions intended to provoke arguments. There are times when people ask questions not to understand, but to challenge, trigger, or undermine you. These questions may sound like, "So what do you really know about this?" or "Can you prove your point right now?" Their aim is to pull you into a confrontation where emotions take control and respectful communication disappears. Engaging with such questions can quickly escalate a simple conversation into a heated dispute. Staying silent in these moments is not avoidance, it is wisdom. Silence helps you maintain control over your reactions and prevents the situation from turning into a conflict based on ego. When you refuse to respond, you deny the other person the opportunity to drag you into unnecessary tension. This protects your inner peace and keeps the environment calm. People who seek arguments often thrive on provoking a response. They may twist your words, interrupt, or raise their voice to dominate the discussion. Responding gives them more fuel, while silence disarms their intentions. It also shows maturity, because not every question deserves the energy of a detailed reply. Choosing silence allows you to step back, reflect, and prioritize harmony over winning a debate. In doing so, you uphold good manners and focus on what truly matters: peace, patience, and emotional balance. As we've seen, silence can be a powerful form of wisdom and protection. May Allah grant us the strength to guard our tongues and choose peace over unnecessary words. If this reminder benefited you, please like, share, and subscribe to Profound Deen for more inspiring Islamic content. Before you go, comment this beautiful prayer. May Allah bless my speech and purify my heart. May Allah keep you guided and protected always.